am Marco Brancaccio. I am a group leader at the UK Dementia Research Institute at Imperial College London. I work on circadian rhythms and the role of chronal disruption in Alzheimer's disease. So body clocks are a series of mechanisms that allow us to be in sync with the external world, and they happen thanks to a genetic mechanism that all of us have inside us. Our society, it really poses a great challenge to this system because of shift working, artificial lighting, jet lag, and so-called social jet lag. So we like to have parties in the evening, but we know that this behavior is associated with long-term chronic conditions such as diabetes, obesity, and dementia. So the question is, what are the mechanisms that makes that possible? What is it that drives circadian dysfunction? And what can we do about circadian dysfunction? Can we use the clock, the power of the body clock, to let our brain work better and performing better, and to decrease our chances of getting dementia later on in life? This is a very complex question. What is for sure is that it's been already shown that in preclinical Alzheimer's, so before, even decades before any cognitive symptoms, the circadian activity in humans and as well as in preclinical model is altered, but we don't know we know very little about how this happens. One theory is that this could be due to the capacity of the clock to clear up our brain every day as we sleep, and this is one of the pathway that we are investigating. So the clock driving clearance of toxic brain waste in our brain. So we work on preclinical mouse models, and we use gene therapy mediated by viral vectors, as well as behavioral assessment of circadian and cognitive function in these models. And we also use live imaging, both in vivo, in mice, in freely moving mice, and in surrogate culture system like cell culture and tissues. Well, almost everything needs to be done because this is quite a new idea, new concepts. What I think will probably happen before is that circadian disruption will be used as a tool for the early detection of groups at risk of developing dementia later on, because with the usage of devices such as Fitbit or Apple Watch, whatever, it is possible to continuously detect our daily patterns of behavior, and probably we will be able to spot significant deviation from this pattern that will suggest that something is going on, and it may be a way to restrict to the population that goes under more detailed analysis in the future.